Hi guys, my name is Ankur and I'm a member of the Private Labels Machines course by Sammy. Actually, I got to know about the Amazon FBA thing in the year 2020, but back then also I was working in a full-time job, so I was really skeptical and hesitant that whether I should start it or not. So at that time also I had taken few workshops and a course from some other mentor, but that really didn't turn out to be fruitful for me as it was really an overview of the things. So I got to know about Sammy from his YouTube channel, and I contacted him. I learned a lot from his YouTube channel itself. Then I ended up taking his 4 days workshop, and the knowledge that he shared in that was really deep and really helpful also. So I further decided to join his private labels machines course, and it's been like 5 months now, and the sessions are really helpful over there. The video sessions that are, and apart from that, I would really say that the value addition that he makes to the course is from his weekly Zoom sessions and also the private labels members, that is the private WhatsApp group that he has. And in the group, we have like beginner sellers and as well as advanced sellers that are earning like lakhs and lakhs in months. So that is also really a good motivation for all of us, and we can share our issues and clear our doubts regarding our businesses. Right now, I'm in the stage that I have completed my legal setup of the business, and I'm planning to launch my first product before December 25th. And my short-term goal is to really replace my salary as of now, and then I plan to be a 8-figure, 7-figure business owner and really create a brand for myself. Thanks.